You are going to love the 2019 XC40. The Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV built with safety in mind. A wide variety of technology aids assist in keeping passengers safe. The XC40, however, has not forgotten about handling, refinement, and ride comfort, all of which make this vehicle one to consider, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, roll stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.